Don't say that.
I think
No,
I have
I'll
to.
say then I will also
have
say.
to.
I will also say that.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Word Visit by Dolly. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's episode, let's learn some amazing words and phrases from Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput's episode on Coffee with Karan. But before we start, I just want to say, guys, I'll keep bringing regular videos only if you all drop a yes in the comments. So without further ado, let's get started.
No. What was your takeaway?
I really didn't think so far.
Takeaway means main point or lesson. For example, the takeaway from the movie was never give up. Takeaway का मतलब होता है सीख या important बात. जैसे मूवी की सीख थी, कभी हार मत मानो.
First time we were having lunch. I was invited to a family friend's house for lunch. Very impromptu.
Impromptu means done without planning. For example, we had an impromptu dance party. Impromptu का मतलब होता है बिना किसी प्लानिंग के. जैसे हमने अचानक डांस पार्टी कर ली.
I mean, my dad was really taken aback. He's like, "Who is this guy?"
I was talking.
Taken aback means shocked or surprised. For example, I was taken aback from his rude reply. Taken aback का मतलब होता है हैरान रह जाना. जैसे उसका बदतमीज जवाब सुन के मैं चौंक गई.
The first time I went, I mean, I'm oblivious to the fact that I'm looking really strange for.
Oblivious means not aware of something. For example, he was oblivious to the noise. Oblivious का मतलब होता है किसी चीज का पता ना होना. जैसे उसे आवाज का बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं था.
Ask you, you're married to Shahid Kapoor. Are you in love with him?
Of course, I'm head over heels.
Head over heels means deeply in love. For example, she is head over heels for him. Head over heels का मतलब होता है पूरी तरह प्यार में होना. जैसे वो पूरी तरह उसके प्यार में डूबी है.
So much love.
Always.
Always. Are you very tactile as a couple? Like there's a lot of feeling and touching.
Tactile means related to touch. For example, kids love tactile toys. Tactile का मतलब होता है छूने से संबंधित. जैसे बच्चों को छूने वाले टॉयज बहुत पसंद आते हैं.
Always.
A lot of times ask like my family, like, "Are we doing too much PDA?" And they're like, "I'm like, if we are, then it's good."
You know, it's
PDA, public display of affection, means showing love in public. For example, they avoid PDA in front of elders. PDA का मतलब होता है पब्लिक में प्यार दिखाना. जैसे वो बुजुर्गों के सामने PDA से बचते हैं.
Back and wondering, when will those days come when we used to be so much in love? It's become mundane now. So
Mundane means boring or routine. For example, doing dishes is so mundane. Mundane का मतलब होता है रोज का बोरिंग काम. जैसे बर्तन धोना बहुत बोरिंग है.
which is better.
Yeah.
Which means that
That
I
means
was
you are-
into commitment.
He's not
and I was,
hopping.
yeah.
he's not a hopper.
Yeah, he's not a hopper.
Like
And
Hopper means someone who jumps or moves quickly from place to place. For example, she's a job hopper. Hopper का मतलब होता है बार बार जगह बदलने वाला. जैसे वो हर 6 महीने में जॉब बदल देती है.
Is any of this daunting? Now you walked into his circle of friends that are all film.
Daunting means scary or difficult. For example, speaking on stage was daunting. Daunting का मतलब होता है डर लगने वाला काम. जैसे स्टेज पर बोलना काफी daunting था.
There was a dinner I attended when we were all meeting
Yeah.
you for the first time.
Yeah.
Everybody was either a prolific filmmaker.
Prolific means very productive or creative. For example, he's a prolific writer. Prolific का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा लिखने या बनाने वाला. जैसे वो बहुत ज्यादा लिखने वाला राइटर है.
I think did that really bring you more together? The
Yeah,
fact that you
Humongous.
had-
really did.
It was
Yeah.
humongous. I
Really
think that was.
Humongous means extremely large. For example, that burger was humongous. Humongous का मतलब होता है बहुत बड़ा. जैसे वो बर्गर बहुत बड़ा था.
special.
we're watching one of your movies, na?
No. My movies are not mushy anymore. They're all
Of
messed
course,
up.
they are mushy.
Mushy means overly emotional or soft. For example, the movie was too mushy. Mushy का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल या सॉफ्ट. जैसे वो मूवी कुछ ज्यादा ही इमोशनल थी.
me.
Huh.
But
What do you mean everything? That's a slightly blasphemous statement for a wife to make about her.
Blasphemous means disrespectful to religion. For example, his joke sounded blasphemous. Blasphemous का मतलब होता है धर्म के खिलाफ कुछ कहना, जैसे उसकी बात धार्मिक रूप से गलत लगी.
Shahid, do you leave the seat up or down?
See, I am so petrified of my wife.
Petrified means so scared that you can't move. For example, she was petrified when she saw a snake. Petrified का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा डर जाना कि हिल ना पाना, जैसे वो सांप को देख के बहुत ज्यादा डर गई थी.
I have not slept well all these months because I have that paranoia that when I get up in the middle of the night to take a piss, if I don't put it up and then put it back down.
Paranoia means constant fear or suspicion. For example, his paranoia made him lock the door 5 times. Paranoia का मतलब होता है हमेशा डर या शक रहना, जैसे डर के मारे उसने 5 बार ताला लगाया.
Should I begin with you because you're nervous? Oh,
can begin
so
with
the rapid fire veteran, 2-time winner.
Veteran means very experienced person. For example, he's a veteran actor. Veteran का मतलब होता है बहुत अनुभवी, जैसे वो एक बहुत ही अनुभवी एक्टर है.
Okay, kill, marry, hook up. If you're not married, that is. Priyanka alias Sonakshi. If you had to, this is hypothetical.
Hypothetical means imaginary or not real. For example, that's just a hypothetical situation. Hypothetical का मतलब होता है imaginary या सोचा हुआ, जैसे वो बस एक hypothetical मतलब imaginary situation है.
That's true. That happens all the time. Well done, Meera. I find that bizarre myself. If I
Bizarre means very strange or weird. For example, that was a bizarre outfit. Bizarre का मतलब होता है बहुत ही अजीब, जैसे कि वो आउटफिट बहुत अजीब था.
I still feel you're winning it. He's just this he will always reverse it at the last minute. Googly will come like that.
Googly means a tricky or unexpected move. For example, he threw a googly in the meeting. Googly का मतलब होता है किसी को कंफ्यूज कर देना, जैसे उसने मीटिंग में सबको कंफ्यूज कर दिया.
not
As you can see, I am the concierge.
yeah, you're holding
It's
this.
been handed over.
Well,
Concierge means hotel assistant or helper. For example, ask the concierge for directions. Concierge का मतलब होता है होटल का मदद करने वाला स्टाफ, जैसे रास्ता पूछने के लिए concierge से बात करो. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.